Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain about understanding joint dependency and fifth normal form, examples and applications. First we're gonna see introduction, an overview of a joint dependency and their relation of fifth normal form, understanding impact on database design and performance, exploring real world applications. Joint dependency and fifth normal form (5NF) are advanced concepts in database normalization and deal with the complexity of relational database design. First, we're going to see joint dependency, exploring the concept of joint dependency and their role in database design. We are going to explore the joint dependency in the database, understanding the implications for data integrity and normalization. We're going to understand the data implementation. Joint dependencies specify conditions under which two tables can be joined to produce a valid result. In joint dependency, we're going to join two different tables to form a valid result. They are expressed as relationship between attributes in different tables. The different attributes are being joined in a same table. Next, functional dependency. Functional dependency are the fundamental of normalization. A functional dependency exists when one attribute uniquely determines another attribute with the table. The functional dependency occurs when one attribute determines the another attribute within the table. For example, if we have a table with column for employee ID and employee name, we can say that the employee ID functionally determines the employee name. In the table of employee, there is a column of employee ID and employee name. The employee ID determines the column employee name. Fifth normal form. Understanding the concept of fifth normal form and its significance in database normalization, exploring the benefits and challenges of achieving 5NF means fifth normal form. Fifth normal form is a extinction of the normalization process and it addresses certain complexity scenarios not covered by early normal forms. Fifth normal form benefits. Fifth normal form provides the highest level of normalization, leading to the elimination of certain types of redundancy that might will exist in lower normal form. Fifth normal form reduce the redundancy uh, compared to other normal forms. Within the elimination of creation type of redundancy, 5NF helps maintain data integrity by ensuring that data is stored in a non-redundancy and consistent manner. Fifth NF will maintain the data which should not be stored in a redundancy form and it maintains the consistency. 5NF allows for the representation of complex relationships and dependency that may not be the accurately captured by lower normal forms. This is the particular relevant in database with interact business rules. In compared to other normal forms, fifth normal form provides the more relation and dependency. It is more efficient than compared to other normal forms. Next, challenges of fifth normal form. Achieving 5NF often leads to the highly decomposed data scheme with numerous small tables. By decomposing all the data, we get the smaller table. It is the challenge faced by the fifth normal form. Highly normal schema might result in more complex queries with multiple joins. It results in the more complexity in queries and more joins are being formed. Optimization became crucial to ensure that the query remains efficient, and index may need to carefully design to support common query patterns. The optimization will become very crucial in this fifth normal form, and it should maintain the definite pattern to query pattern to maintain the consistency. The process of achieving and maintaining phi NF requires careful analysis and decomposition of table. For creating the phi NF, we should maintain the data carefully and analyze the data and decomposition of table. Writing queries and design applications that interact with a highly normalized database can be more complex. The queries designing in the fifth normal form is more complex than other normal forms. Next, real world applications. Financial systems often involves complex relationship between entities such as accounts, transactions, and financial instruments. It is morely used in the maintaining accounts, transactions, and financial instruments. Database in scientific research, such as those used in bioinformatics or physics, may have interact relationships between experimental data, variables, and outcomes. In scientific field, they are used in the experimenting data, variables, and to check the outcomes. Systems that integrated data from multiple sources often requires a flexible and normalized schema to handle the diverse data structures and relationship. To maintain the diverse data, we require a flexible and normalized schema. So fifth normalization form is used in the flexibility and normalizing schema. Next, conclusion. Fifth normal form phi NF and the principle of I normalization play a crucial role in specific real-world application where the benefits of reduced redundancy, improved data integrity, and precise representation of complex relationship outweigh the challenges associated with the highly normalization schema. The fifth normalization form is used in the reducing the redundancy, improving the data integrity, uh, representation of complex relationship, and other normalizing schemas. Ultimately, the success of database design depends on striking the right balance between the advantages of normalization and practical consideration of the specific applications.